Drinking hot water in the morning regularly, it melts the fat deposits, relieves pain and many more. Many start the day with a cup of hot coffee or tea, but what if you replace that routine with a glass of warm water? Regularly drinking hot water in the morning has many beneficial effects on the body, and these are just a few of them. Cleanses the digestive organs. 1 cup of warm water is enough to remove toxins from the body. Water helps to break down food and thus facilitates digestion. Consuming cold water during or after a meal thickens the fat in the food and thus creates fatty deposits in the intestines, so it is wise to replace it with warm water to encourage digestion. Helps with hard stool and constipation. The cramps in the stomach and the stool often occur due to lack of water. A glass of hot water in the morning on an empty stomach can quickly resolve this problem and help the body function normally. Relieves pain. Hot water is considered to be the most powerful natural remedy and can even relieve pain during menstruation. The heat relaxes the muscles and reduces cramps. It reduces the fat deposits. If you follow any diet, you've probably heard many times before that hot water can be a great ally. Hot water increases body temperature and thus speeds up metabolism, which further leads to faster calorie burning. Improves circulation. Because warm water helps you get rid of toxins, it improves circulation. Slows down aging. Premature aging is everyone's biggest fear, but the good news is that ordinary hot water can help a lot. The presence of toxins speeds up aging, and because the water cleanses, the aging process slows down. Hot water also improves the elasticity of the skin.